This is the Browning 525 Sporter. It's got very little engraving on it since the Sporter name. The game edition does. You've got wee engraving there, wee engraving there, the Browning 525 Sporter, and just the name there. So little antler either side. Very nice gun. This is a left-handed variant of it. Safety, nice and easy to operate, easy to disassemble, and yeah, Browning's just recoil pad on the back. Very, very nice shotgun. Ever since I've started firing with it, I've done my best shooting with this gun. Whether or not it's just because it's a left-handed gun and I'm a left-handed shooter, that's yet to be seen. But this is a very, very nice gun.